What we really want to do is celebrate the idea of kindness and acts of kindness through the arts, because we know that the arts can move and connect to people on the inside out. So to really premise kindness, to put forward acts of kindness, and we mean real acts in terms of performance acts. Our roadshow is literally us on the road heading out to mainly up the coast and then around Gisborne, obviously.
Should you be lucky enough to represent your school in the finals on June the 8th, you will go up against students from across the Te Tairāwhiti region and their respective schools.
We're looking for the best acts across Te Tairāwhiti, 2 levels, so junior school up to year 8 and senior school up to year 13. We're looking for the best male and female performers. We're looking for the best solo, if it's a solo, or a duet, if it's a duet, or an act, or a group. Within the fields of music, singing, lyric writing, poetry, or dance and movement, or drama. Probably the most important, which is we are judging on response to the kaupapa. You come from a very small school, you don't have the same resources, but your kaupapa is strong. That's also valid, and that's what we're looking for as well. Although we're going into primary schools and intermediate schools, we wanted the kaupapa to actually sort of matter. How many of you have Facebook accounts? The amount of access that children have to sort of unrestricted spaces is quite big. And in those spaces we know that a lot of bullying happens, and it occurs there. And sometimes that's out of the eyes of parents, and it's away from the eyes of teachers and the likes. There was a somberness to the performance, and that was important because we didn't want to trivialize it. To be able to stand in front of a group of people and talk about this kaupapa is what's important to us. Even if not the whole school participate in the actual event, to actually bring the kaupapa to the people is what's most important. The most important message is to just be kind. So in a world where it's so easy to not be kind, being kind is very difficult and hard. So me tuko tū, be strong, kia kaha, and let's get kindness out there.